welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's look because it has pink and I love using pink eyeshadow. It is one of my favorite shades to use, even more than nudes and browns. So this is the beginning to my Valentine's Day series, so you will be seeing me put out some more Valentine's Day looks. So if you'd like to see how I made this pink cut crease with glitter, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, let's get right into this look. I'm going to use this shade called Pregame from the Kylie Jenner Sitting Pretty palette, and I'm going to apply that as a transition shade. Now I'm going to take Jungle Juice from the same palette and apply that in my crease and my outer lid. Next, I'm going to apply this neon pink shade called Pretty in the same areas, just kind of on top of the shade Jungle Juice. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to round out the edges instead of leaving it straight. For my lid, I'm going to use this baby pink shade that's in the 35B Morphe palette. I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35B palette and use the fuchsia and the neon pink shade to blend out my cut crease. Now that my shadow is done, I'm going to go in with some NYX glitter. I have a light pink shade and a red shade, and I'm going to blend those two to make a glitter cut crease. Now I'm just applying some NYX glitter glue, and then I'm going to apply these two glitters all along the crease. Now I'm going to apply some liner, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex in Deepest Black eyeliner. Also going to apply some baby pink eyeliner. This is the shade Vivid Petal by NYX, and I'm going to apply that right along the top line of my black eyeliner. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm going to apply some lashes. And I honestly don't know which lashes these are, but I do believe they are from Shop Lash Babe, and I'll put that link in the description below. For foundation today, I only used two. I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 420, and also the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Cappuccino. For contour, I went ahead and applied the Morphe concealer in the shade C5.45, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. For concealer, I went ahead and used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with the Beauty Bakery translucent setting powder. As you guys know from my last video, I also used the Juvia's Place Kalahari setting powder, and I applied that on my cheeks and my nose. Now I'm just going to use my bronzer from Fenty Beauty in Cocoa Naughty and just bring some color back to my face. Now for blush, I'm going to use the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette from Tarte, and I'm going to use the shades Beat and Amp. I'm going to use this green shade from the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette and apply that on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the ColourPop palette in A Flutter and use the shade Hungry Ghost and apply that to my tear duct. So I'm going to prep my face for some highlighter with the Rose Water spray, and I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Royalty 1 highlighter and the Laura Geller Dripping in Gold palette. Now for my lips, I'm going to use the shade Bittersweet by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Alright guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I love doing pink looks, so I don't know if you can tell my excitement when doing pink looks, but I love doing pink. So this is like a little, Valentine's pre-trial. I cannot wait to put out some more looks. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below in the comment section. Love you guys.